Hi, my name is Annamieka, and this is the Art Friends Show, where every conversation focuses on getting to know the essence of creativity itself. I'd love to invite you as well to join me inside of Art Friends School, where we go deeper into these topics and join in with other art friends around the world. Thanks so much for joining us, and let's get to the show. Welcome to the Art Friends Show. Here's an artist you're gonna love to know. Hi, we've got Alicia Schultz. We're gonna do a wonderful, quick tour of her studio. My name's Annamieka. This is the Art Friends Show, where we get to know our creativity and each other. And we're at Alicia's house, so I said, hey, can we do just a glimpse of where you work? So without further ado, let's do it. I'm gonna flip it around and just point it at you. You can show us. Yay!
Yeah, so this is my garage studio space. It's where I kind of do some like fun, like personal projects. So one of this stuff is just like my kind of morning meditation in the summer. I have lots of peonies. I'm obsessively watching the first one actually bloom today.
That's exciting. What color?
It's red. It's a red charm. So it's a new one. I got that bush last year. So,
amazing.
Super excited. I've been obsessively watching them. But I collect their shadows and drink my coffee and meditate in the process.
All your meditations.
I kind of turn it into pieces that are kind of like this.
Oh,
and
I love these
really
so much.
Just personal, like a personal practice that I'm slowly developing over time. Also, I mean, I guess I turn it into designs like this, which I put on a pillowcase or on a pillow, and soon to be a mural.
Yeah.
So. And then, it's just kind of very messy in here and free, and it's in my garage, so I could just close
it
the door.
It is the most expressive, wonderful, freaking inspiring thing. Hi, Lazo.
Hi, puppy.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, I love you. I love you. Yeah.
So,
thank you, Alicia. Anything else? Can I just look at little moments here?
Totally. Some of them are like starting to fade because it's from a while back.
It's so exciting. I feel like I'm walking into your brain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, I remember when you were... I have one of these.
Yeah.
I have one of these from this
That was from like the beginning of COVID or right before COVID hit. Yeah, some of the stuff has been up for a while. I'm going to take it all down and start again.
Well, I could help you with that.
Yeah,
we could have a day where we pull it all down, and then... I was inspired to do that today after our photo shoot.
Yeah.
I want to just paint everything white in my house and start over. Awake.
Yeah. Say yes, say no, which is like perfect because I do that, even what the shadow and the darkness. Or shadow and the light, which is kind of the play in here.
Yeah. This is so cool.
All the things all at once.
Yeah. I love all the things all at once.
Yeah.
I love how you have, a lot of what you do professionally ends up digital, but look how much like pigment and paint and actual living things you are working with here.
As you look, I'll be right back. I want to grab one.
Oh, there's more of these that I'm obsessed with from earlier. Hi, Kelly. Kelly's watching. Hey, honey. Come out here.
Too.
What?
Yes. Fun.
Yes.
So, this actually started. Here, let me show you where it started.
Oh, I can zoom out. I just learned something.
So, a couple of years ago for Inktober, I partnered with Higgins Inks actually and did a bunch of these pieces.
Yes.
And then, I kind of did a few things with them. And then recently, this has been a couple of years back, and then recently I started, these are not complete all the way, but they're getting closer to being done.
Those are rad.
Taking them and
loving
turning
these
them into wood cutouts.
Yeah, I'm seeing these as giant mural pieces too.
Right? Wouldn't that be amazing?
Out. Yeah.
Yeah. So
amazing. So those were born from those?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. Wow.
Like
so fun to see your process.
To make as wood cutouts, but
wow. Okay, this is like a masterclass, all happening at once. Thank you so much for letting us walk in here. We're about to get in the hot tub. And I was like, Alicia. So Alicia, thank you again. This is Alicia Schultz. She is Vine and Thistle. She is freaking amazing, as you can see. And thanks for this interview.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right.
Bye. I'd love to have you inside of Art Friends School, where we go deeper into these topics. Follow the link that's in the show notes or find it on my website at annamieka.com.